Hello lovelies. Alright, I've got my base done because that's not the important part. I am starting with the NYX Slim Eye Pencil in Cafe, and I am using that to fill in my brows. Just normally nothing too fancy. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette because I have not broken this out in a while. And I am starting with the shade Burnt Orange just to get kind of a nice little orange base going on. Then, so that isn't so harsh, I'm going to blend it out with Golden Ochre. Then I'm taking Tempura and blending both of those out. Then to deepen the orange, I am taking the shade Regaltor. I do not know how to pronounce this, but it is very, very orange. And I'm sweeping that all over my lid, blending it into the other two. And then just like before, I am taking Golden Ochre first and then Tempura to blend everything out smoothly so it's not just an orange blob. Then for both brow bone and inner corner highlight, I am taking the shade Primavera and just using the little stubby end of the brush that this palette came with. Then I am taking the Tart Lights Camera Lashes Liner, and I'm just drawing a little baby wing on my top lid. Nothing too crazy. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Smashbox Superfan Mascara and applying that to my top and bottom lashes. For the face stuff, I am taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party and applying that very liberally, specifically to the apples of my cheeks, sweeping upward a little bit. You kind of want the little circular cheek thing going on. Then for extra shimmer and extra orange, I am taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Apricot in the middle and applying that over the existing blush. Then for highlight, I am taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. And I am putting that on the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, and onto my Cupid's bow. Now for the fun part. I am starting with my nose, and I am taking this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and drawing a little triangle on the tip of my nose. I am going to fill it in using my Kryolan Aqua Color palette, and I'm using the orange in this, just kind of filling it in. Got that down. I am going to put that same orange color on my lips, just drawing a dainty little orange pout, no overlining, nothing crazy. Then on top of the cute little pout, I am going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss in the shade Sun and just apply that over what I already did to make it shimmery and cute. Then I am taking the same black eyeliner and drawing the little stitched up mouth. You don't have to get too fancy with this. Just draw little lines and little crosshatch marks. Now for the cutesy part, I am taking the Kryolan Aqua Color palette again and that same orange color and a dampened Q-tip, and I am just dotting little orange freckles all over the bridge of my nose and above my cheeks. And this is the finished look. I popped on an orange wig and I tied little orange ribbons in my hair. You can also plop on a straw hat, obviously. I could not find one. I don't know what was going on. But yeah, if you want a cute little easy costume, then this is definitely an idea. If you like shenanigans such as this, do feel free to subscribe and bonk the little baby bell. That way you're notified whenever I actually do upload a video. But as usual, all the helpful links are in the description below. I love you guys dearly, and I'll see you next time. Bye.